There you go. Trying to focus on something, isn't it? CB achy breaky 10-4 on that. Always busy on a Saturday. I'll turn them off. Right, this is my shit there. We'll start from the end upwards. That's the ART 400 TP. Which you can't see very well because it's very badly lit. Ooh. There we go. How's that for a bit of lighting? There we go. Yeah, that's the paging transmitter. It's just got that aerial and it's right next to those metal cabinets, so that's no good at all, is it? BH has just kicked in, as usual. Always busy. We've got 310. Yeah, so there's that. I'm working backwards. Goes into that box there, which is just passive. It's just purely a passive box made out of an old serial switch unit. And then that goes to that there and up to the PC, which is running virtualization. So I've got Unix on that screen, and that's the programming software for the ART. Yeah, I love this virtualization stuff because you know, Linux is great, but sometimes you can only, with radio programming software, you can only get stuff that runs in Windows. So that's running Windows under Unix on the main PC. And I can. These are the canned messages here. I've got these two, which go to the interface at the bottom of the ART transmitter. So I can press that button there. Massive long preamble, and the other button, the bottom, that's 0 and that's 1. Yeah, how cool is that? Yeah, that's what we've been up to. Oh, one more thing, yeah. The icon repeater is this motherfucker here. That's an icon ICF R4000. Nope, I've got caught up. Nope, that's better. Icon ICF R4100, and I was previously using this, Norm, for as a PMR 446 gateway under I forget, the Freenet or something. That's the interface board there. That's the USB to TTL level RS232 stuff that was doing the control ports and stuff. It's a 25 watt repeater. It's only supposed to go down to 450, but you can stretch it down to 440 just about. Only lower than that, and it's a bit of a disaster. But you know, that can easily handle 2.5 watts, as you can well imagine. Yeah, man. I thought I'd share that with you. Hope the sound came out all right, because I'm talking into the back of it. But there you go. How about that?